Yo, speed freaks! Alex here, and today I'm saving your wallet and your pride. Because let's be honest, we all want to ride, but we don't all want to take out a second mortgage to do it. So, buckle up, or should I say, strap on that helmet. Because we're diving into the top 5 affordable beginner motorcycles for 2025. Yox 5, Honda Rebel 300. If motorcycles were people, the Rebel 300 would be your relaxed uncle who listens to vinyl, drinks black coffee, and never gets angry. Price: approximately $3,800. Why beginners love it? Super low seat height, comfy cruiser ergonomics, and a clutch so forgiving it deserves sainthood. The downside, it's not a speed demon, more like a Zen monk on 2 wheels. But hey, looking chill while learning? That's a win. Fun fact, it's so chill, you might forget it's on. True story. Chapter 4. Yamaha MT-03 Naked. Lightweight, hyperactive. The MT-03 is what you'd get if a wasp and a Street Fighter had a baby. Price: approximately $4,200. It's got aggressive styling, a punchy little 321 cubic centimeter twin, and it's a commuter's dream. Perfect for zipping through traffic like a caffeinated squirrel. But yeah, it's still a 300 class bike, so freeway riding equals hanging on for dear life. Bonus: looks fast, is kinda fast. Gets thumbs up from random teenagers. 3-Suzuki SV650. Okay, I hear you. Speed freaks, this isn't a beginner bike. Well, guess what? If you're not a throttle-happy lunatic, it's perfect. Price: approximately $3,500. Why it rocks? That 645 cubic centimeter V-twin is silky smooth, linear power delivery, and that exhaust note? Chef's kiss. Downside? It's got enough power to humble you, so yeah, treat it with respect. Or it'll throw you like a rodeo bull. Fun fact: it's been around for decades and still slaps. Talk about aging well. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja 400. This is the GOAT of beginner sport bikes. Price: approximately $4,600. You want track days? It'll go. You want commute duty? Easy. You want a bike that doesn't look like a toy? Bingo. It's forgiving but fun, fast but manageable. Seriously, it's the Tom Holland of motorcycles. Young, capable, and weirdly charming. Downside? Every second person at bike night will also have one. Trendsetter problems. Number 1. KTM Duke 390. Let's get spicy. Price: approximately $3,900. The Duke 390 is what happens when someone at KTM said, "Let's make a starter bike that acts like a mini supermoto." Lightweight, sharp throttle, full TFT dash, aggressive design. It's ADHD in motorcycle form, jumpy, fun, and a bit crazy. Perfect for urban hooligans, twisty roads, and general mischief. But maintenance quirks, heat issues, and it's a KTM, so it'll teach you about tools. Quickly. So which one wins? Well, depends on your vibe. Want comfort and chill? Go Rebel. Love street style? MT-03. All-rounder? Ninja 400. A little nuts? Duke 390. Want to grow into your bike? SV650. No matter which you choose, just remember, the best bike is the one you actually ride. Drop a comment below with your favorite, smash that like button, and subscribe if you want more honest, no BS motorcycle content. Alexandra MV, out.